Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can use split screen feature on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to use split screen feature on your iPhone device, then here you will need to watch this video completely so that you will be able to use this feature on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started how you can do that. So first of all, here you need to tap on settings in your iPhone or iPad device. Then scroll down and here you need to tap on general. After that, tap on soft update and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, go back again and here you'll have to close this tab. Then after that, here you need to tap on App Store in your iPhone device. So after that, here in search bar you will have to search for split screen. So here you need to tap on split screen. So after that, here you will see different apps in your iPhone device. Then here you will see this app in your iPhone App Store. So here you will need to tap on open because I have already installed this. So after that, you will see this tab interface in your iPhone device. So here you will see that here I am using two windows in my iPhone device. Here is one and here's the other one. So you can use two windows in your iPhone device. You can browse anything here and you can also browse anything here if you want. So in this way you can use multiple screen or split screen feature on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.